guys, it's me, the Diamond Sisters, and I'm Sabrina. So today is a very sad Sunday instead of sunny Sunday, which is usually sunny Sunday. But today is sad Sunday because this video is about that I lost my slime. So that is very sad. That's the only slime I have. So just now I was trying to make a slime, but it was a super duper fail. I didn't know why, because every time I tried to make slime, it was a fail when I really used the real ingredients. I try to use baking soda, baking powder. Over here in my country is hard to find borax, but I did found one before, but I didn't buy it because it was too expensive. So losing my slime is also sad, but not as sad as losing my parents, but I really want to find it, so I'm telling you guys, you're gonna join the adventure and we're gonna find this slime together. Well, you can cheer me up by liking the video, subscribe, and comment nice things below. So, the starting of the first experiment. So, let's get started. The last time I saw my slime was when I made a video about my air clay dough versus my slime. So, trying to find a slime on my bed, but it isn't there. So let's go outside, but first let's go into the toilet and find my slime. We're at the door, and let's open the door. Here is my bathroom door. Turn on the lights. Go in. So all I have is just my hand sanitizers. That's very common. So all I have is my hand sanitizers. So of course not in my toilet, but then let's go to my sister's room. And then my sister's room door, she's actually taking revenge with me, but let's try to go in the room. So this is my sister's room. This is my sister's desk and stuff. So all they have for common is my air clay dough. Wait, I did find my air clay dough, but we can't find the slime. So let's get out the door because my sister's busy doing musical. Thank you. What I'm really doing is my room, which I'm going to close the door. This is the storeroom, which is all my stuff. I can't find the slime. Actually, the last time I also saw it was in the kitchen. Let's try to find this bit, because this bit has a lot of rust. We have this an egg. Let's keep my dough in this egg first. Keep it in my bag and see if my slime is. There's nowhere it's not in this room. Let's go to the kitchen, and the kitchen has also lots of things, so let's go to the kitchen. This is my kitchen, but it's kind of nice. It's not in here. So at the back of my kitchen there. So let's search in this place. It's nice. It's not in here. Wait. on it, you have to select the living room. But before I go to the rest, I still don't want to give up because I really think it's it's not in here, so let's go to the living room. It's my living room. My friends are one of my friends is from there. So find it in the living room. I found it. Let's go back. I can't believe it, guys. I found a slime. Oh my gosh. It was like it was hiding around my crib. So luckily I found it, so let's go back into my room. Oh my god, I'm so excited to play with it. I lost it like for one day and I finally found it. So I was very happy though. You guys cheer me up. That means you guys really want to join my adventure. So you guys better like my video. Wow, I found my slime back. Amazing. Not a very nice colored slime, but it's still my cute little slimy. Yes, play my slime for a while I end this video. Oh my gosh, I just love this. Tastes good because it's also edible slime. So guys, so happy to be with you. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the sky. I love you. Peace out.